As per the promise, I make this video. It is about the Me TV. Quite amazing TV. KRS here. Let's get started. Actually, the TV looked very amazing. This was the not first transparent TV. The LG had a promise to make this TV, but somehow they announced the prototype, but not TV. But this TV was announced in China. This will be the becoming the first TV to launch in China, and they are telling that this TV will launch globally. Actually, it has a very good specification. The TV is of 55-inch with OLED display, and you will be getting 120 hertz refresh rate. Talking about the 5.7 thin display means we can say that less bezels, support of the Dolby Atmos, and yeah, with the better performance you'll be getting MediaTek 9650 chipset, which is a flagship chipset for TV. Talking about the variant, it is only in 155-inch as I told you, and the storage in it is 3 GB RAM and 32 GB storage. So yeah, much app to download and much things to do in 32 GB. Talking about the ports, it is a super slim TV, so you'll not get port backside. You'll get downside on the TV, which we can see that round shape. You'll be getting 3 HDMI port and 2 USB port, which is amazing. The speaker, you will get two speaker which amplify 8 watt. Means the sound will be the okay, but in transparent TV it will be the different experience. This TV is super light TV. You'll be get around 25 kgs, means very less among today's TV, and it will get support of 5.1 Bluetooth. This TV is Android based TV, but you will get also MIUI inbuilt it. So the experience of this TV will different. Talking about the price, it will be super expensive. In China, the price was 50,000, which is expensive. If I convert into rupees, you'll get around 5 like 40,000 something that, and if I convert into USD, you will get around $7,500. Hopefully you like this video, subscribe and share among your friends.